Oh, yes. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So finally, I'm making the full-fledged jump to DJI, man. I have 2 drones from them, and I have the Pocket 2 from them. And normally my action cameras are GoPros. So I bought the Hero 7 Black. You guys remember I used to use that. And I bought the 8 Black, and then I bought the 9 Black. Now I stopped at the 9 Black because I felt like I was getting enough out of this action camera. I use these action cameras around the house. I use them for all of my car channel videos. So if you haven't subscribed to my car channel video, go ahead and subscribe to that. So there's a small history behind me getting this over the 11 or the 10. Now, obviously I didn't know about the 11 at the time that was coming, but the 10, I just didn't see a big enough jump to go from the 9 to the 10. And I was like, nah, forget it. And then when the 11 dropped, I jumped on the 11. But then I saw this, and I bought the creator kit or adventure pack, or just the one where you get extra stuff with it, with the 11, and it was expensive. It was almost double the price of this, and it didn't have all these extra batteries and things like that. It didn't have what's in here. This is almost half the price, and you get more, and they're promising no overheating. I've always wanted to try one of their cameras, action cameras, so I'm on it now. So finally, I get it here. You can see all the things with it here, 4K, blah, blah, blah. I want to get some samples. I use this, again, for my car channel. And I use it for the channel too, but an action camera, you need to be getting your use out of it. Some people use, they use GoPros and stuff for their YouTube channel. I did it at one point. But then I wanted a little more, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go a little more. So got a little pull tab down here. Right, and let's see how it comes. Oh yes, I'm so pumped right now, man, because I can't wait to get out there and shoot some footage of the truck. And you know, I'm pumped about this. This kit right here was not very expensive at all. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can just tell you the kit of what it costs. Let's see, I think it was like $400, less than 400 or whatever. Yeah, $430 for this kit versus. And you get extra batteries, you get the tripod joint here. The GoPro version was freaking like $750. I said, let me cancel that real quick. So, and this, I like the magnetic claps on here where you attach it. That's so dope too. With the GoPro, that's not a thing. So in here, you've got the detachable camera thing. So let's pop this open. Oh, DJI stickers. Put that right there. These are all my little attachments. Oh yes, attachment number 1. This is the one that I'm really excited about. I think it has this camera will have the magnetic attachments or whatever. Where yeah, the little magnetic clamps right there. I got a little ring thing for the camera. Right here, I attach it here, and then I can do it on the bottom of the camera too. Oh yeah, that's so nice, man. Oh yeah. All right, so this is gonna be super nice. This feels nice. It's like a textured design here. So if I want to snap it onto here and hold it in portrait style like that, I can do that. So that's nice. You get that in the box. Let's get this back in here. And then these are just extra clamps. That back in there. This is for the camera ring. That's an extra camera ring because there's one on there already. This is an extra clamp here for you're going to be mounting it to something. Do not apply to curved glass, blah, blah, blah. It tells you how to do it. And you can mount here with that one. So that's pretty nice. Really excited about the camera though, because I've been wanting to get something different than a GoPro, but I just didn't have the guts to do it. If I'm being honest, I was too nervous. I have so much GoPro stuff that I just couldn't do it. So you've got your instruction manual here, quick start guide, everything that comes. Yeah, it folds open like this. I got to download the application. So first download the app, and then it goes through all the different things. I'm so pumped right now, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm ready. Yeah, see, that's the setups that you'll use for that. So we'll keep the quick start guide on hand. Get your USB cable, and then You got this joint right here with the 3 batteries in it, son. This is what I'm talking about. The GoPro couldn't match this. They couldn't match it. Even my DJI drone, I have the 3-pack for the batteries. So you got all the freaking batteries in here. You can see they lit up, the charging. Boom, I'm so pumped, man. How many milliamps are these? Uh-oh. How many milliamps are these? Oh gosh, hopefully I'll be able to see that. Even with my bifocals, I still can't find it on there. But nonetheless, it's gonna be so nice. So I got my battery pack right there. This case right here also is really nice. It's a nice, small, compact, sturdy little ruggedness to it. So you get that. That's dope. And here is the star of the show, the camera. Oh, so pumped. Let's put that there. Let's put this like this. Off to the side. Ooh, man. So you got the magnetic attachment right here from when you, oh, wait a minute. Jay, what am I doing? There's one more thing. And it is right in here, baby. Yes, son. I was so excited. Oh, there we go, baby. So I'm gonna get out, I need to get out one of the attachment rings so I can put that on there and put it onto the handle or whatever. And here, I need to get out one of these joints here. Right there. All right. Yeah, baby. I love these, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get this pumping here. I'm gonna set this up. All right. So this is gonna attach onto there. It's got to be another piece. It's got to be something that I'm missing. Because it can't just be this cage right here. Let me see something. Yeah, it's a magnetic clamp. I'm missing a clamp. Hold on. I got to be missing a clamp somewhere. It's got to be another clamp somewhere in here. It's got to be. Because it goes there, there. Hold on. Hold on, son. It's in here. Come on, Jay. There they are right there. Here go my clamps right here, son. Like I know I ain't going crazy, B. You get one for each. This is another one right here. There they are. Boop, 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 boop. All right, so here's all the magnetic clamps. I'll throw one of them back in there because I'm not gonna use it with this one yet. I'm gonna attach that in the car. All right, now we rolling. Now we rolling. We rolling, son. Calm down, Jay. You too excited. Calm down. All right. So this goes onto here. And first, let's just talk. Can we talk about how much grip this thing has? Ooh, this is way better than my clamp. Like, this is nice, but it's a hard plastic, and I know it folds open into a tripod or whatever, and it extends out. But the problem I have with this is as soon as I want to use it, look, that it starts to slide down. So with this, oh yeah, that's tight. That's a tight, yeah. That is not gonna drop. And it, son, do you see how long this? Oh snap, bro. This thing is like 5-6 feet. Oh, look at this. Oh shoot, it hit the wall. Yo, son, look. One section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, 5 section, 6 section, 7, 8. This thing is freaking huge. And it's a tight fit too. Oh man, look at all of that right there. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so glad I switched over to, oh my gosh. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna attach this on here. I'm gonna get this going like this. See, this kind of magnetic system, and I get a longer handle, you know what I'm saying? Like I got big hands or whatever. And so this is gonna go. Oh, son, look at this joint. Too fired up, son, too fired up. This is crazy right here, B. I'm loving this. This is gonna be on point. So we're gonna go ahead and detach this here. The magnets is so strong on there. So you hit these two little tabs right here. Yeah, I'm so glad I switched over. All right, so now we're gonna get a battery out. Let's see how much juice it has. We're gonna go battery right here. And we're gonna go like this. Yeah, right here. Oh, son. If you're not into action cameras, these can be used for your channel too. Get that first peel off. Look at, you see what it says right there? Tighten the lens protected cover before taking off out for water. Oh, look at that beautiful camera, son. Look at you, baby. First boot here. It's got a nice little weight to it compared to, like, this weighs kind of the same, but the GoPro has like a smooth plastic all around it, and this is textured. Like, it's literally textured. You know what I'm saying? My camera game is on point, so I know you can see the I know you can see the texture on there. But then you look at the GoPro, it's smooth, and this has some texture to it. Yeah, even though that GoPro looks like it has texture, it doesn't. This has a nice premium metal feel to it, and the GoPro has the rubber around this portion here, and this is like a metal frame. So, ooh, man. Let's hit that power button, see if I got some juice. First boot, and it goes straight into the setup. All right, guys, so here is walking with the action camera here. Got it up on a tripod. I got it on the handle. This thing actually looks really good. Crazy good footage. I think 2.7K or 1440p is the happy medium to get good results on footage. But look at how smooth this is. I did bring my GoPro, but it's not the latest GoPro. It's the 9 instead of the 11, but an 11 takes on a few more differences, but the quality still would be good. On the 9, it is good, but I'm liking this right here. Now I'm going to do a little bit of the front. Look at that quality. Whoa. That is clear. Going on my walk. It's a lot cooler out. I do have my Pixel with me. My Pixel 7. I left the Pro at home. Haven't seen a video on the Pixel 7. Check it out. Look at the background on here. Look how it looks. Ooh, I love this handle on here too. I can't wait to listen to the audio because it's super windy out here. So we're gonna see how this works out. Woo! Nice little workout. I got this set in the standard view. I don't have it on ultra wide because I'm vlogging, but it definitely is better quality than my GoPro, for sure. Let's get a look at these trees. Get me a little workout in. Building in this community, all new houses. Those people who do the selfies, and they put them way out, like the older people be walking around with selfie sticks way out like this. This thing extends really far. Whoa. It's pretty strong too. That thing extends really far. Oh, it's still not all the way in. Really nice, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the footage. I personally feel like this footage is much better than the GoPro footage. This seems to have a less cartoony feel to it. When I shoot indoors or in certain lightings with my GoPros, they'll have like a cartoony look to it. But this, just shooting in the regular footage right here, looks phenomenal. I mean, look at it in the direct sunlight. That's great footage. Now I gotta change out, I have SD cards that are high powered, but for some reason it doesn't want to accept. It only wants to accept my very large cards, and I get no error. But every card I put in this camera, I get an error, but it still records. And it's not that it's not recording the footage, it's just that it stops recording after like 5-6 minutes or something like that. But it'll keep going, and it'll pop up every now and then, but other than that, it's good to go. All right, so to make this all about this device, I'm loving it. I'm gonna love shooting car footage and getting more things done. I can probably even use this camera for the YouTube channel because the 9 indoors doesn't do very well. It just doesn't. So I'm loving it. Really excited that I got this super extended tripod with this kit right here. So microphones actually did pretty good in the when it was really windy when I was walking, but other than that, man, I'm loving this thing. I'm ready to get some more stuff done, especially for my car channel. I'm ready to mount this joint up and bring all the footage that I can. If you're not subscribed to my car channel, head over and subscribe. But I'll be using this probably for some vlogs outdoors, probably when I go for a walk or something like that, or just when I'm vlogging outdoors. This is really good. It's good enough. Footage is superb and much better than, and no overheating. My GoPro Hero 9, 8, 7, all overheated. Like if you get to a certain time frame of recording, it'll overheat. This one, none of that so far, and they guarantee that. And that's a strong claim, but so far, no overheating. Smoothness is there. You know, I'm liking it so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. What about how long that tripod got though?